In this video, I'll show you how you can pay monthly on Amazon. Now there are a few requirements, so you can see those right here. So first of all, you can pay over 3 or 6 months on purchases of $50 or more, but it even goes up all the way to paying over 48 months on purchases of $1,500 or more. So if you want to use it, what you want to go and do is just go to your cart on Amazon and click proceed to checkout once you have the items you want to buy. Now just set it to your address, and then here under payment method, what you want to do is select payment plans, and for me Affirm shows up, so I'll select Affirm, and now here click use this payment method. Now you will then here see the order. Now you will need to click continue to application. So you will need to apply at Affirm right here. So first just verify your mobile number, then select the time frame that you want to pay over, and then review and submit. Now Affirm, you can see no hidden fees, no late charges. You will know upfront what you will pay, and it will check your loan eligibility, and checking your loan eligibility won't affect your credit score. So that's how you can pay monthly on Amazon. So just go through this process right here. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.